Hello everyone, welcome to Koabil Cooking channel. Today I will share a simple tutorial on how to make delicious fried Indomie noodles, or this name is mie nyemek. Okay, let's get started. First, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Okay, main ingredients Indomie noodles. You can choose the regular or jumbo version or any other flavor you like. Other 6 shallots, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and tomato sauce, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tomato, 1 red chili pepper, and as many bird age chili as you prefer. I'm using 3 here. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 3 stalks of mustard greens or any other leafy vegetables, 1 stalk of green onion, and 1000 gram of cabbage. Finally, cut the garlic and shallot. Cut the red chili pepper into small pieces after removing the seed. Do the same for the bird's eye chilies. Dice the tomato, discarding the seeds. Cut the cabbage, mustard greens, and spring onion into small pieces. If all the ingredients are ready, we will continue to cooking step. Heat a pan over medium heat and little margarine and some oil, and stir until they blend. Add the shallots and saute until fragrant and golden brown. Next, add the garlic and continue sauteing until fragrant and golden. This is optional. Crack the egg into the pan and stir until half cooked. Next, add the cabbage, 250 ml of water, red chili, cayenne pepper, and green onion. Stir well. Once it starts boiling, add the Indomie noodles. Make sure they are submerged in water. Add the cabbage, sugar, soy sauce, tomato sauce, and the Indomie seasoning. Don't stir yet. Cover the pan and wait for 1 minute.
A few minutes later.
After 1 minute, now add the diced tomato, stir everything together, and the remaining noodle seasoning. Cover again and wait for 1 minute.
A few minutes later.
Taste and adjust the seasoning. If needed, add a pinch of salt if it's not salty enough. Your delicious mie nyemek fried Indomie is ready. Serve it on the plate. And feel free to top it with fried shallots. Enjoy your meals and don't forget to subscribe.